Hi, my name is Josue Mancero. I'm the new mixology and beverage management instructor here at Triton College. I am going to teach you how to do a Spanish gin and tonic. Gin and tonic is a very traditional cocktail. It comes with 1 part gin, 3 parts tonic, ice, and a lime wedge. We're going to do a variation of this drink and make it a little fancier and a little tastier. We're going to start with the basics. We're going to start with a shaker. We're going to measure out 2 ounces of gin. I like London Dries. We're going to measure out 2 ounces of our favorite gin. Then we're going to use this cool little ingredient. This is a lemon oleo saccharum. We're going to do a little 1/2 ounce of this. There it goes. Then we're gonna squeeze some fresh lime juice. I'm going to squeeze it by hand, just because after I squeeze it, I am going to dunk the wedge in the jigger, in the shaker. And we're gonna add some ice. The reason why I'm adding the lime wedge to the shaker, it is to obtain more of those oils of the fruits. We're gonna shake this really hard until your shaker is really, really cold. And then we're going to double strain it into a big Bordeaux wine glass. The bigger the better. It just makes a cooler presentation. We're going to add ice to this drink. We're gonna garnish it up with a fully dehydrated candy orange, some dehydrated lime. We're gonna burn up some rosemary to give it aroma. And then we're gonna top it off with some tonic water. A cool technique to get the tonic water all the way in the bottom is using a spoon and slowly pour in the tonic water. There you have it, Spanish gin and tonic. Cheers.